Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to print packing slip invoice via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in the home page, click Orders, Try New UI tab at the top of CMS. Select To Be Delivered tab. Firstly, we will be guiding you on how to print packing slip. Choose the order that you want and click Action button. Next, choose Print Packing Slip. It will then direct you to the preview of your order's packing slip. You can choose to print it out or save as PDF for further action. Moving on, print invoice. You may repeat the same steps as above to print your order's invoice. You can even bulk print your invoice and packing slip by selecting multiple orders. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.